impression of business consultant before venture platforms, right, is basically they just talk, and but then again you yourself take the risk. They do the talking and they ask you to restructure this company, do this, do that, and at the end of the day, we have to bear all the risk.
All the while we are more depending on ourselves. We do not know how to use people's strength to develop our business. Until we know venture platform, then we realize that it is a very useful vehicle to help out to expand and also cost saving, which is quite good to us.
At that time, we faced several problems because of the Lehman Brothers issue. The bank sort of like stopped everything. So whatever they have promised us with the letter of offer, they actually did not follow up on that. And we have already gotten our land in Vietnam. We have to get the machineries, we have to do the building and things like that. So without the loan coming in, we couldn't do anything. And we were stuck there. When one of the guys from VP know our situation, so he actually stepped in to help us with to get the loan from another bank, and he speed up the things, which within 1 month we actually have gotten everything done.
They've done a couple of projects besides ad hoc services, what they always provide us. They've given us the accounting software provided by them. They have helped us achieve an ISO certification, which we received it last month.
不管他举办什么他都会邀请我们去我觉得很好Elisa 她有那个就是在这方面就是很有诚意让我们公司也是可以有收获。
They give me a risk reversal. If they don't deliver, they don't get paid. So we got the confidence from them that they will definitely deliver what they claim.
They are very humble, very polite, and they were quite helpful in every stage, whatever we're looking for. Whatever small little changes we wanted to do in terms of making changes to the receipts or whatsoever, they were always there to help us out. Being a private school, we are definitely looking to expand our operations overseas. So with Venture Platform with us, we can always look out how we can utilize certain things like the e-learning platform, where they can help us out to go global.
If let's say we didn't come across Venture Platform, we will still be operating just like before. It's just that when we come in contact with Venture Platform, it helps us to accelerate the business growth along the way, and with their service and their various expertise in various fields, their networks, we will see our business expansion a lot easier and definitely faster.
They don't charge like other companies. Their prices are reasonable. Secondly, it's like for SME to grow, you need those loans and grants from the government. So with VP, they actually help to speed things up and they maximize the value of your company.
With their help, I think the chances for us to expand and to complete our IPO stage, I think we are quite confident.
可以跟他一起合作，我觉得是我们的荣幸。对，然后尤其是我很放心给他们做我们的东西，所以一路来有什么东西我们都会，他们会给我们提供很好的一些意见，而且他们的服务也非常的快。
When you're talking about being a consultant or engaging a consultancy firm, it's very important for the consultants whom you appoint to be assisting you or to be available when you want them to be around, and Venture Platform is definitely there.